to do a couple videos to help you with summer work assignment number 2. There are a few questions that end up with strange answers. So here's my first example. I'm going to distribute the 15 to this binomial and the 1/2 to this binomial. 15 times 1/3 m is 15 thirds m. 15 thirds m. 15 divided by 3 is 5m. 15 times 2 is 30. Greater than or equal to 1/2 times 10 is 10 halves m. 10 divided by 2 is 5m minus 12. Next thing I'll do is move my variable to the left. 5m minus 5m cancels out. 5m minus 5m cancels out. I'm left with 30 is greater than or equal to -6. That is very strange because we're not used to our variable going away or being canceled out. What happens is you're left with a statement, a mathematical statement. You have to decide if this mathematical statement is true or if it's false. And then when you have a true statement, you're going to give this answer, infinitely many solutions. When you have a false statement, you're going to give this answer, no solution. So let's analyze this statement right here. 30 is greater than or equal to -6. Is that true or is that false? Well, 30 is greater than -6. So this is a true statement. When it's a true statement, you put infinitely many solutions. So I'm going to put infinitely many solutions as the answer to this problem. For my next question, I do not have parentheses that I need to get rid of, so I am going to take care of this subtraction here since I have like terms on the left side of this inequality. 8x minus 2x is 6x. Bring down my plus 5, less than 12 plus 6x. I'll move this 6x to the left. Hopefully you're seeing a pattern. What happens is your variable goes away and you're left with a statement. 5 is less than 12. So when your variable cancels out, that happens. When your variable cancels out, then what you do is look at the statement that remains. 5 is less than 12. Is that a true statement or is that a false statement? 5 is not less than 12, so that's a false statement. Therefore, my answer is no solution. Now for question 3, I'm going to go ahead and distribute on the right-hand side since I do have parentheses that need to be gotten rid of. I'll bring down the left-hand side. 4 times 2p is 8p. 4 times -1 is -4. I'll move my variable from the right to the left. I'm left with, and again, those cancel out, I'm left with -3 is less than or equal to -4. Is that a true statement or a false statement? Is -3 less than or equal to -4? No, -3 is bigger than -4. Therefore, this is a false statement, so the answer to this problem is no solution. So there are going to be some on your assignment in which you have infinitely many solutions, no solution, and no solution for an answer.